Can we see the sea from over
Well, it's
here?
supposed to be behind the high school. Oh, that's a pretty treed hillside hill. It's supposed to be up in there.
Here we are, live at Colfax, Washington, and we believe that there used to be a sea, and actually we did talk to somebody about there being a sea here in Colfax, Washington. So we're right here at the school, at the high school football field, and we're looking up on the hillside for the Colfax Sea. Hi, do you know anything about the Colfax Sea?
No.
Okay. So we're thinking that brown with the curve of a sea, it could have been there at some point. But there's like no rocks or anything.
Unless it could be covered.
Well, it could be covered up over
I can
years.
see rocks there grown over.
Well, and I still think over that 08, that would be, but boy, that would be,
Yeah, that's dangerous.
I don't know how you do that.
I don't
know.
either.
They have to be
Because there
goats
has,
to ride on.
well,
Right? I agree.
and
Yeah,
if they're
that's-
allowing the kids to do it, there's safety
I wonder if they
concerns.
tether. There's got to be something.
Well, what do you guys think about this whole trying to find a sea?
I think it's gone.
I think
it's gone.
yeah, it's gone. And
So if somebody's
maybe
watching, please bring it back.
Right?
And then we'll come back.
We'll come back.
We'll come back and help you put it back.
No, we won't.
Yes,
no.
we will.
No, we won't. Okay, Renee is totally into it. She will be back.
Okay, Renee, you need to make an appointment with the principal. Come back and talk to the senior class.
Okay.
Yes.
Soon, because they're graduating here in another.
Well, it probably won't happen this year, but.
No, it won't happen this year. All right. Well, I think we've seen all that we can see with the Sea of Colfax, Washington.
We can't see the sea, and that's the problem.
I know, right? I'm guessing it's on
be
that
over
side.
It's getting pretty flat over there.
Yeah.
it's over there.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
Now, it's very faint.
wow. Dawn.
eyes,
Good eyes, Dawn. We were looking on the wrong side of the
What
road.
else?
Dawn, you saw it.
Good job, Don.
Yeah.
I just
Some of this stuff
looking
over
around
here.
hills like you guys were.
But I was
Looking for
convinced it was on the other side of the highway.
I don't know what, yeah, that white stuff is.
I think that's the closest we're going to get. Okay.
If you get any closer, you get the irrigation pipe in it.
Yep.
Right?
I think this is a great place to park.
What's
Well, hello. We're the Letter Ladies, and we are in Lacrosse, Washington. And how excited are we?
very well,
We can't get to the L.
and the L needs help. It needs some love.
The excitement was all in the drones.
Yes.
Right.
The droning.
Stay
Yes.
tuned for footage of that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Which I'm not going to tell you is spectacular because I thought I was going to pass out. And it took two of us looking at the screen. So, but, we tried.
Right.
Marlene did a really great job getting in touch with people.
Right. The L is hard to see because it's been neglected, and it's just mostly dirt against dirt.
Do you think those are pallets up there? Do you think those are the pallets? Or do you think
I think it's dirt.
There's anything there now.
I don't think there's anything because there was a fire here and some of the pallets burned, so maybe somebody just took them
they
all
pulled
out.
the pellets out.
when did it burn? Did they say?
I did not hear a date.
Okay. So just so you know, Lacrosse, Washington, just like the Colfax Sea, not accessible, not really there. Another sad state of affairs for letters, but
Right.
here we are. Help me see this. Am I recording? No. Now I'm recording. I'm shooting my eyes. I literally cannot see. Oops. Maybe it's me. Now, who has better I can't see either.
Is it the sunlight hitting it?
Going to the L. Okay. Do I need to turn a little bit that way? Am I turning?
You should be right over it now, shouldn't you?
No, it's probably not.
far away.
Oh, yes, you do. Just go straight. Do not go up or down.
Oh, you're right. I just saw it. Oh. Don't hit the electrical lines. You're right.
Oh, there we are. Can you see us? There we are.
I'm Martha.
I'm Dawn.
I'm Marlene.
I'm Renee.
And
we are the Ladder Ladies.
Checking out from Lacrosse, Washington. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.